Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski here at Assurance Claim Services, and today I just got back from a little property that has a big problem. This place had a plumbing leak below the slab, which is just incredibly destructive. You'll see from the video, they actually had to trench below the tile in the concrete slab to get to this issue. 47 feet of trenching. And here's the problem with this claim. Problem is, when you file a claim, the insurance company automatically sends out a field adjuster. They put together a repair estimate and they give it to the desk adjuster. The desk adjuster then makes a decision based on that report on how much to pay you. Well, in this case, and very often, if it's a technical, very highly technical claim like this one, and I don't understand the line items of putting into that estimate what it takes to actually put the slab back the way it should be, you're going to be underpaid. And that's what happened here. In this case, a concrete patch was listed as the repair, $600. No, you need tamping machines. You need rebar to tie back into the slab that's already existing. In this case, the street is about 80 yards from the front of this property, where they're going to actually have to use a pump truck to pump concrete in, and extra labor hours and concrete finishing work and smoothing and floor leveling in order to put tile back down. This is going to cost between $6,000 and $8,000 to put this slab back the way it should be, versus the $500 or $600 for a concrete patch. So this is a classic example of what can go wrong if you don't have a professional working on your claim who understands the construction side of things to tell your insurance company how much it's going to cost. Thanks so much for visiting and enjoy the video. If you have any questions, call me or text me direct, 561-352-5960. Have a great day. Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski, Assurance Claim Services, and today we are at a property that is a mess. This place had a plumbing leak, actually a slab leak, and you can see the entire floor has been excavated all the way around, and this entire plumbing line had to be replaced. So they trenched the entire house, and we are here to get this place put back to the condition that it was before this happened. And this is not a huge property, but the damage to it is pretty extensive. So anyway, thanks so much for visiting. I will keep you posted on this claim, and if you need my help, call me 561-352-5960. Thanks so much.